The animal right now has a big packing strap entangled around its neck. If we don't do something, it's going to die. So we're going to try and help. 63.
I think they're moving to it. They're moving.
25.
25. Good hit. Good hit.
She's right here.
Yep.
We're here with Dr. Marty Helena and Dr. Faye Gipning from Vancouver Aquarium Marine Mammal Rescue. So you've done 40 of these, Marty. That's a ton, but it's only 10% of the number of entangled animals that are out there right now. What needs to happen?
I mean, the problem is us, right? It's garbage. It's a human interaction injury that can be easily prevented. It's some fishing gear that's been discarded needlessly. It's just our garbage. That's a packing strap. That's on our packages that we get in the mail that someone just didn't dispose of properly. It's us.
Yeah, it's a shame. I mean, imagine if this were your dog. How would you feel? How would that dog feel? I mean, this is disgusting. This was strangling that animal out there because we threw it away. We're lucky we were able to take it off. We have an amazing team of people, but we got to stop putting this stuff out there.